5 Bible verses for businessmen. Number 1, Proverbs chapter 16 verse 3. Commit to the Lord whatever you do, and He will establish your plans. Number 2, Colossians chapter 3 verse 23. Whatever you do, work at it with all your heart, as working for the Lord and not for human masters. Number 3, Proverbs chapter 19 verse 21. Many are the plans in a man's heart, but it is the Lord's purpose that prevails. Number 4, Proverbs chapter 10 verse 4. Lazy hands make a man poor, but diligent hands bring wealth. Number 5, Deuteronomy chapter 8 verse 18. But remember the Lord your God, for it is He who gives you the ability to produce wealth, and so confirms His covenant, which He swore to your ancestors, as it is today.